Hey guys, it's Abhishek again, and we're back with another video. And welcome to Gizmogram. So, if you're watching this video, you probably know that Open Beta 1 has been released for the OnePlus 6. So, what you need to do in order to install it, firstly, if you're running a stable build of Oxygen OS, you need to go to the link given in the description below and then download it preferably on your phone directly. That way, it's a lot easier. And then move it to your internal storage. From the downloads folder, and then all you need to do is go into settings and then system updates, and from here go to local updates, and you should see the update right here. Now what you need to do is click on it, select install now, and it should be installing. So after you're done installing, all you need to do is press reboot, and it should take about 2 to 3 minutes for the phone to reboot into system again. So once the phone boots up into the OS or the system, what you're going to notice first and foremost are the visual changes. Now this year around, everyone's been talking about the fact that they have rounded, very symmetrical icons all throughout the system. But personally, I don't like the rounded icons as much, so to say, because I generally feel that it's like going a step backwards from the finely designed icons of Oreo or even maybe Nougat. Anyhow, moving on. Apart from the fact that it has rounded icons, we also do get the volume sliders to the left, as you can see. Now, what I saw from OnePlus was really commendable, which was the fact that they actually went ahead this time round and changed their accent colors, because people in the community were asking for it repeatedly. So let's just go into accent colors. So as you can see now, in accent colors we have the option to choose from several accent colors. Apart from that fact, we also have the option to personalize the accent colors according to our taste. So I think it's a very neat feature. Not every other phone has it. It's very unique to OnePlus 6 at this point of time. Let's check out the camera if it's the same. The camera seems to be working the same, except for the fact that now when you click on tap to focus, you actually get a different animation for the focusing, as far as the focusing animation is concerned. So, and the UI is slightly changed in this version, that is Android P, and you've also got a new gaming mode. Apparently it's called gaming mode 3.0. So here, wow, they actually highlight the new features that they have added with the accent color. So now what you get are some different settings. Now you can actually change the way notifications are shown while you're playing games. You can completely block them, or maybe text only, or even heads up. Apart from that, you've also got disable automatic brightness, which was there in the previous version of gaming mode as well, to be honest. And so along with the update, there has been a complete UI redesign. As you can see, the shelf has completely been changed. Now it's all white, and also the call log and the last call, and even the calling screen. So apart from that, so there's one more thing that I've noticed just now, is that the status bar icons have been shrunken down. The battery icon is a lot smaller than it used to be. Now there are some known issues as per the changelog. For example, according to OnePlus, some applications might not work properly, considering that this is actually the first beta build. Also, Google Pay service is not working. I'll need to test that out. Google Play Store might show your device as not certified. Let's test that out right now. So this is Google Play Store, and let's go to settings. Okay, so we're in settings, but for some reason I can't even see the Play Protect certification under settings in Play Store. So we'll leave that for later. And let's go to gestures. So apparently under gestures, now there's a new gesture called answer calls by gesture. So if I turn it on, probably if I get a call, I'll just need to put it against my face and it'll receive itself. That's pretty cool. Now, as you all probably know, the talk of the town is the back and home button in Android P, which I really am not a fan of. Okay, I get it that it makes switching between apps easier, but I would have preferred the buttons any day. I mean, for me, like a tap is way more convenient than a gesture. So that's about it, guys, for now. And apart from that, there isn't too many changes. But if I find some new changes, I'll definitely let you guys know soon enough in the review. If you guys want a review, please let me know down in the comment section below. Do like this video and do stay subscribed for more such videos. Thanks for watching, guys.